Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Audi Q7 3.0 T Quattro that we have for sale. Beautiful shape inside and out, very nicely equipped with features. One owner clean Carfax vehicle from sunny California. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. I believe it was 2017 that the Q7 got a ground up redesign, better than ever. It actually shaved about 600 pounds versus the older version. Shaving that weight definitely improves handling performance, and it improved gas mileage. I believe they said that the gas mileage is up about 20%, which is definitely a big improvement. We even have a copy of the original window sticker. We can email you a copy or provide you a copy when you come in. This was $63,145 at the time, you know, when it was brand new. Obviously at its pre-owned price, it's not going to be anywhere near that, and with only 25,600 miles, it's still in very nice condition. And since it got a redesign, I think in 2017 or close to 2017, I don't anticipate any big changes for 2019 or 2020, making this a great value if you like the options and color combination. I won't go into too much detail, but I'll kind of gloss over kind of the big features. We have the Premium Plus package, which is a $4,000 add-on, giving you the Audi Advanced Key, which is basically a keyless entry system, keyless ignition, and then it has the MMI Navigation Plus, Audi Connect Prime and Plus. I don't know what that is. It's probably like a subscription telematics service and concierge. Audi Connect, that also has a limited time subscription. Audi smartphone interface, Audi side assist with pre-sensor electric tilt and telescoping steering wheel, heated out auto dimming power folding exterior mirrors, and LED interior lighting package. It also has a vision package, which is a $2,000 option, giving you an Audi Virtual Cockpit, which is really cool. It's almost like having a fighter jet cockpit. The normal gauge cluster disappears and they give you this big LCD screen in its place. You can pick and choose the information that displays there. You can even display the map, so you don't have to kind of move your eyes around as much. Pretty cool feature. And then you can kind of make the speedometer and tachometer bigger or smaller as well. Really cool. A lot of the car magazines rave about that feature. And of course you have the regular navigation system up there, and you have a parking camera. You have a top view right there. Then you have a rear view, and then you can also change the views as well. There's a side view, and then you have a front view. Nice for parallel parking. And then when the backup sensors in tight parking situations, it will display the camera where you're closest to the nearest object of bumping into. I was actually trying to pull this out of a pretty tight spot, and that backup camera and parking sensors were very, very helpful. Definitely don't want to scratch this one up. Bose 3D surround sound system, that was an $1,100 option. Cargo cover, and then you have high gloss black gray oak inlays, really nice. And then 19-inch all-season run flat tires. And again, we can provide you some more features. 8-speed automatic transmission to maximize performance and efficiency. You have this nice cool trackpad for the infotainment system, kind of like what you'd find like on a laptop. And then there's some redundancies built in as well. You can control some stuff on the navigation, and then you have this dial right here, which is pretty helpful. Huge panoramic roof to allow lots of natural light inside. It opens, and you have a power sunshade to dim things down. The platform they use for the Q7 is used on a lot of different products that Audi makes. It's used on the Volkswagen Touareg. They use it on this new Bentley SUV. It begins with a B. I can't even begin pronouncing it. Maybe I don't want to butcher it. And they also use this platform on the Porsche Cayenne. The Bentley and the Porsche are very premium vehicles. So the Q7 greatly benefits from that architecture, making it a very solid ride, no squeaks or rattles. Here's a cargo cover. Obviously you're not going to keep that in place when you have people using the third row seats. It's pretty easily removable, but if you have those third row seats folded down, that cargo cover is very helpful keeping things out of prying eyes. The third row seats, they all recline and they're individually adjustable, so they each slide back and forth, making them a little bit more comfortable for full-size adults. Excellent space. So the second row seats fold flat, and the third row seats fold pretty much flat as well. I think these are roof rack crossbars. Then you have the Bose sound system and the amplifier for the Bose audio system. If you're a music lover, you like that. Then you have some controls for reclining and folding down those rear seats. Beautiful lines on this Q7. Follows the same design theme we see in a lot of Audi products. Dual exiting exhausts, nice chiseled minimalist lines. I love how they have this gray strip right here that says Quattro. Definitely adds a little bit to the look. A really beautiful looking light housing. We have HID lights for outstanding nighttime visibility. And of course that familiar Audi family grille we see a lot on Audi products. Going towards the engine bay, we have the 3-liter Supercharged V6, workhorse engine of the Audi line used in a lot of their products. Makes about 330 horsepower. It's a fantastic engine. You find that engine also in like the S5 and the S4. It does great in the Audi Q70, plenty of power, and it actually is pretty performance oriented. I think 0 to 60 like right around 6 seconds in that area. Definitely great performance for a third row seat mid-size crossover. If you happen to be in a different part of the country, we can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US, and this also comes with a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our store very soon.